this is Ying from Community CPA, and want to put out a short video just about October 15 extended filing due date for 1040. Of course, it's also a filing due date for C corporation and all the other fiscal year corporation. But here, I just want to talk about 1040. Before you file your 1040 in 2020 for 2019, I want you to be so aware of CARES Act already enacted. There's some changes related to 2019 and 2018. You don't have to wait for later in 2021 to implement that. You can implement 2019 right now before you file. And I had another video related to this, which is for the pass-through entity 1065-1120S, and those entities are due on September 15. Before you file that one, you definitely need to really listen to that video to get an understanding of what you need to do. So I mentioned about 4 things for folks to do before you file 1065-1120S, but I want to mention to you of 2 things you need to do before you file 1040. So number 1, and before you file 1040, and you want to make sure that you have all your tax documents in front of you. And you may be having some document from 2018 that you should have for 2019, but you don't have it right now. With pandemic, it is kind of messy out there. Things are missing. Maybe because of you not opening mails properly, or who knows, because of the virus, you throw all the mails away. So whatever happened, we needed you to be sure that you go ahead matching what you have from 2018. Make sure that you didn't lose anything for 2019. So that's number 1 I need you to do, to match what you had last year and with your 2019 data. Now, with your 2019, if you have a business, then I need you to look at the 4 items I talked about in the other video. Otherwise, and you can assume this business you have in 2019 and it is okay. Then I want you to do the second thing, which is data match with what IRS has for you. So that part is in Community CPA, we call that data match, and you want to compare what you have with you to what IRS has for you. And you can come to our firm and we can help you to get there. You can certainly trying to contact IRS yourself to figure out what they have for you, so that way you can compare. And those data match is so important. And just like the machine, it is capable of matching what you submit versus what the IRS has in their system. If they don't match, it will kick out a notice called CP 2000. And if you get CP 2000, congratulations, and your mistake is so rudimentary, even the machine knows to tell you you are wrong, so you have to fix it. If you didn't fix it properly, maybe you're inviting lovely auditors to come to you and to audit your taxes. Unless you enjoy that socialized part of relationship with the auditor, and you may not want to do to invite audit to your 1040. So with that, and I summarize, this video is just to tell you that number 1, you need to match your 2019 with 2018. Number 2, you need to match your data in 2019 with what government has for you. And if you can do these 2 and your tax return is filed accurately, and then you would sleep better. And unless you miss the relationship with the auditor, and in this case, if you don't, and you can satisfy yourself that you won't get to there if you have done those good data match work. And I will talk to you again. Hopefully you take our advice and do a good job out there. And we want to see folks happy. And when you come to us and so badly audited by IRS, and we are the rescuer to you, and of course we enjoy to be the hero, but we also feel so bad for you to be in that position. So pandemic is already enough for us. We don't need any more things happen. So let's just make sure we do our taxes right, okay? And our promise for our client, and if you're not our client yet, you need to promise that to yourself. I'll talk to you. Bye.